So how do we calculate slope? Slope is rise over run. You're familiar with change in y over change in x. Again, y and x have meaning. So we're looking at the change in the milliliters of gas produced as you change the mass of the zinc, the grams of the zinc used. To determine change in milliliters as we change the grams, we need to pick 2 points. Here's point 1 that I'm going to choose and point 2. I've now chosen my 2 points. So I'm going to have 180 milliliters minus 40 milliliters. That is my change in y over my change in x. So 180 was produced by 0.48 grams minus the 40 milliliters was produced by 0.12 grams. Feel free to use a calculator if you must. 180 minus 40 leaves me with 140 milliliters. And that is, of course, over the change in mass, which would be 0.48 minus 0.12. The difference is 0.36 grams. Divide 140 by 0.36 grams to give you the amount of milliliters per gram. So 140 divided by 0.36 is 380 milliliters, and that's per every 1 gram per gram. Change in y over change in x gives us 380 milliliters per gram. So that is the slope of this line, often represented with the lowercase letter m. So 380 milliliters of gas is produced with every 1 gram of zinc. Once your data is on a graph in Google Sheets will just give you the slope. You just have to know how to do it. So you go to Edit Chart. So these, again, click on the graph. These 3 little dots show up, Edit Chart, and then you will click on Customize. And then from there, you'll go to Series, and the trend line, if it's set, you can go to Label the trend line. Normally it has none. Let's click on that and say Use Equation. And there it is. This is your slope, 378. That's M.